Hey guys, this is Extension Weed Scientist Travis Legleiter at the University of Kentucky. Today what I want to talk about is burn down for a no-till soybean system. And what we're looking at here is this is a no-till field. You can see there's a lot of winter annuals out here. You see some little white puffballs. Those are going to be your dandelions. There's some yellow flowers there. That's crustleaf groundsel. And the majority of this that you're looking at is field pennycress, and that's what's got all those little seed pods on it. At this point in time, there's not much we can do for that. But what I want to focus in on today is this little weed that's hiding down inside all the other weeds. And we'll see if we can get it focused in there. And that is horseweed, or also known as mare's tail. And if you look around, there's actually quite a bit of this down in the canopy. And so this is a scenario where a farmer could come out here and say, I just need to spray some glyphosate, maybe 1.5 pounds, maybe 1.25 pounds. And if they did that, they would kill most of the other weeds out here, all these other winter annuals. But what would come up and rear its ugly head is this mare's tail or horseweed. And then it's going to be a major problem for us here in about a month. So make sure you know what weeds are in your field before you make that burn down, because if you are dealing with the horseweed or mare's tail, we need to add another product in there to that glyphosate. Now, one that we've had for many years now in our systems is Sharpen. We can add 1 ounce of Sharpen, works very well for helping us control mare's tail, adding that to glyphosate. The other options we now have, if you're going in extend beans, you can use dicamba and plant those soybeans immediately. That's where we see the real strength of the extend beans, is in that burn down, using dicamba and not having to worry about a plant back. And you also have the enlist beans, same thing. We can spray 2,4-D. That will control our horseweed, and then you can plant your soybeans in immediately if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. The other thing is, here in Kentucky, you could use Liberty as well. As long as you have these nice hot days like it is today, nice and sunny, you can see how sunny it's out, and as long as it's going to stay sunny and warm, Liberty is going to work well. So just a few suggestions as you start to make your burn downs to your soybeans out there, especially if you're dealing with mare's tail. Until next time, thanks for tuning in.